Hey there! We're talking about CashApp today and why you should be too. CashApp has become a household name with a staggering 9.9% annual growth. That means in 2024, 50 million people, or 17.6% of the US population, will be using it. So why is CashApp so popular? It's simple. You can send and receive money with just a few taps. Need to split a bill with friends? Done. Want to pay your share of rent? Easy peasy. But that's not all. You can also buy stocks, trade Bitcoin, and even get your paycheck deposited directly into your CashApp account. It's like having a bank in your pocket. Plus, with the Cash Boost feature, you can save money on everyday purchases. Join the millions enjoying the convenience of CashApp. If you're in the US or any supported country, it's time to cash in on your very own money-making funnel system. Download CashApp today and see what the buzz is all about.